Hey guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix camera roll that isn't backed up by Snapchat. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your mobile device. Tap on the snap icon to your bottom left. Select camera roll at the top of your screen. Long press the photo that you want Snapchat to back up. Tap on the hide option at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Quick Setup. Enter a passcode for yourself. Re-enter your passcode in order to confirm it. Select I understand and tap on Continue. Click on Finish. Now tap on My Eyes Only at the top of your screen. Enter your passcode. Now you can see the photo that you have selected now has been backed up by Snapchat. And that's it. This is how you fix camera roll that isn't backed up by Snapchat. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.